LED kit. Just 10 minutes a day over 10 days for 6 shades whiter teeth. Let's get started. Charge the LED device for at least 4 hours before each use. Once the device blinks green, you're ready to go. Now let's prep those pearly whites. Starting by drying the top row of teeth with a tissue. Once your teeth are dry, grab your pen and start clicking. It can take up to 20 times for the first drop to appear when you first use it. After that, only a few clicks will do. Apply a thin layer of the ENAMEL-SAFE serum to each tooth along the top row of teeth. Click once or twice after every 4 teeth and continue to apply. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for the serum to dry as it forms a whitening coating on your teeth. Repeat on the bottom row. Once you're done, clean your whitening pen before putting it away. Grab a clean, dry tissue and wipe the bristles. Then click the cap back on. Now you're ready for some magic. Turn the LED device on and place it inside your mouth. Let the whitening boost begin. 1 beep and you're halfway there. 2 beeps and your 10 minutes are over. To clean, simply rinse under warm water. Pro tip, don't eat or drink for 4 hours after using the treatment for best results. Last step, time to remove that whitening coating. Just brush your teeth and you're done. Time to shine and go. Use the Colgate Optic White